Hi, this is an overview of the Outlook integration at Mixmax. So from within your Outlook inbox, from within any Compose window, as soon as you install the Mixmax add-in, which you can find within the Outlook App Exchange, you're going to see some options. So let's say that you have, somebody that you're looking to email, and you want to enhance this email now. You just click the Mixmax M. That's going to open up our sidebar. And we have two different tabs here with different options. We're going to start with tab number one. So first and foremost, you have your tracking at the bottom. You're going to see four different checkboxes. At the bottom, you have your tracking. So you can now track any opens or clicks from any emails that you're sending, even one-on-one communication. You also have the ability to sync these activities, these emails to Mixmax, as well as log them automatically within Salesforce. Now at the top, you have four different actions. So action number one, you have the ability to insert templates now. So if there's, any communication that are constantly sending out, like quick responses, common things that you're adding into emails, you can create a template within Mixmax and now very quickly insert those into any Compose email to any recipient within your Outlook inbox. You also have the ability to utilize our calendaring. So we have your standard calendar links. You can embed those here as well. You can also include it in your email signature. But my favorite one to use is going to be our one-click calendaring. Once you click share availability, it's going to pull up a calendar option for you. And from here, you can pick and choose the times that make the most sense for, this upcoming meeting and the times that you want to propose. You can choose whether you want, how long you want the meeting to be, whether that's 30 minutes or an hour. You can title it how you would like, adding your conferencing information. You can even schedule on behalf of other team members or anybody else that you have that permission with. If you have somebody that needs to be included in that meeting, you can go ahead and add them as a default guest as well. And then as soon as you have everything ready, just click insert times. And now once you send this out, the recipient, all that they have to do is just click on the time that makes the most sense. They can even compare what you're sending with their availability using the show me times I'm free. But it's one click and then it's scheduled based on all those parameters that you set in. Let's say that you want to set a reminder. This is also available now within Outlook. So let's say that I'm sending out this email, and if this email doesn't get a reply or it's not read or regardless, I want to be notified of that. You can have a simple date format, in 2 weekdays, 2 days, 2 hours. Maybe you want to have some presets, like in 4 hours, I want a reminder, or tomorrow night, or in a week. Or you just want it to be custom. I want to know next Monday at, let's say 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If this email has not received a response, I want a reminder about that. Maybe I want to have a note, a reminder to bump email, and then set reminder. You'll see that reminder has been set. You have your calendar availability added in. You have the logging and tracking information all set. You just click send. Many of these, especially the syncing and tracking, those are all automatic. So as soon as you have that included, you don't have to worry about checking these boxes each time that you want to send an email. You'll just have to worry about unchecking them if there's an email that you don't want to be logged. Let's go over to our second tab. So from within here, you have a bunch of different options. I'm going to highlight three of those. So the first that you're going to see is the live feed. From here, you can see any sequence that the recipient, the person in your to field, has been a part of, or you can click X and search, for any recipients, anybody in Salesforce, anybody that you've emailed before, if you want to do it that way. You'll know exactly what sequence they've been in, if they've never been in one. You'll also see, if they've opened any emails that you've sent out, which emails those were. And then if you have your Salesforce integration enabled, if you're on Salesforce, within this tab, you have all the information that you would be typically searching within Salesforce. You can now do that right from within your inbox. You can see the account level information, contact level. You can even edit. So maybe I find out that this is no longer a good phone number and I want to change that. You can do so right from within here. And that'll be automatically synced back over into Salesforce. Maybe this is a sales opportunity. I just made a prospecting phone call. Now I want to create an opportunity. I can do that from within my inbox now as well. Or you just want to see, who was the last person to reach out to this contact? What did they say? You can see all of that within the sidebar. The last piece that I want to show you is the LinkedIn integration. So if you're on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and you enable that interaction with Mixmax or that integration with Mixmax, you can now see, any highlights. You can see shared connect. You have their picture, their location. You can even check recent activity from LinkedIn right from within your inbox. So I hope that that was helpful. Here at Mixmax, we're constantly looking to expand our functionality within Outlook, but we're already off to a great start. Let us know if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you out there. Thanks.